Hey everybody, Grant Smith with Winnebago Towables. I'm here at Funtown RV in Elkhart. Best prices, the best selection, and the best service in the industry. Today we're going to go over the Micro Mini 2108 TB. This is one of our twin bed floor plans with a slide. It's a 7-foot wide unit riding on tandem torsion axles, so kind of a unique fit in the RV space. Really nice fusion lights integrated into the front profile. Those have an on-off switch here in the pass-through storage, so when you turn them off, they can disappear. And I like that they're not extremely bright, so they're not harsh at nighttime at the campground. Gonna keep your neighbors happy. Nicer slam latch baggage doors with magnet holdbacks across all of our laminated products. We're gonna have a really nice Valerium awning as well. This awning has an integrated fusion light, really clean look to it. Love the pitch adjustment on this. Really easy to have that rain run off. Composite entrance steps. One of my favorite things about these is they actually have slots in them, so dirt and water can pass through them and not be flung inside the camper when you go put them up and put them away. They're much lighter, they adjust super easily. You'll notice right above me as well, JBL marine grade exterior speakers as well as JBL interior speakers. So we have an upgraded sound package. Your music will sound really good out here on the campsite. These are your tandem torsion axles, and you'll notice on those we actually have Goodyear Wrangler tires. Really good tires and really good suspension that works in sync with our Norco frame. So a nice huck bolted E-coat painted frame, bolted together very straight, so Micro Minis are going to be a great towing trailer. Independent and electric stabilizer jacks. Right here you have your rear switches for your rear two, and then up there your front switches for your front two, but those will operate independent of one another, so you can bring them down separately, get them cinched up, reduce the amount of sway you feel inside the trailer once you get set up at the campground. Every Winnebago trailer is going to come with a bumper. It's a great spot to put your sewage hose. We do supply those with end caps in the owner's packet. And below that, you're actually gonna have a 2-inch accessory receiver. That's rated at 350 pounds, so perfect if you wanna bring bikes or e-bikes. I've seen generator racks, storage totes. There's a lot you can do with that space. Standard roof ladder from the factory. The roof membrane we're running is an Alpha Ply roof membrane that has a limited lifetime warranty. Water-based sealant, so it doesn't off-gas, therefore it doesn't shrink. So really good walkable roof. The 2108 TB does have a slide, and that's going to actually run on a slim rack slide mechanism. Everything here is going to be fully laminated, so your slide walls, your rear wall, all your side walls are fully laminated. You're going to have all your water hookups back here, but we do include an outdoor shower, and this is your water heater. This is a 60,000 BTU water heater. That actually, on your control pin on the inside, has altitude settings, so if you are camping at a higher altitude, you can set that in the control board and it will adjust its airflow settings to still work properly up in the mountains. So we're inside the 2108 TB Micro Mini, and you'll notice TB stands for twin bed. And that's one of the reasons why this is one of our best-selling Micro Mini floor plans, is the versatility of this floor plan. Right now we have it set up in the twin bed configuration. If you ever wanted to set this up as a king, we have 2 mattress sections you can see here. Your nightstand top will actually pull out, and these mattress sections fit right in that space. So you can turn this into one really big bed or keep it separate. You'll notice the shelf, above the shelf you have an outlet with USB and USB-C on both sides of the bed. And the storage here is really functional. Everything in a Micro Mini is going to feature soft close, but I love that the vertical opening doors hold themselves up, so it's really easy to get in there and do what you need to, but you could fit a ton of clothes with this U-shaped storage. Another interesting or unique find in a Micro Mini, if you'll notice these right here, these are air conditioning ducts. So even in a small trailer, this is 22 feet 5 inches tip to tail, 7 foot wide. It's got a 13,500 BTU air conditioning system. I think most would probably do a direct dump AC, but we're ducting that through the entire coach so you get good airflow and it's dispersed properly from the bed all the way back to the rear bath. Right to the left when you walk in, you're gonna have your galley, and the 2108s do come with countertop extensions, so this is a great spot maybe to set up coffee in the morning. A nice big stainless steel sink. You'll notice you have a bank of drawers here, and then this actually has a removable utensil drawer, so you can take that and set it out in the campsite, and even those drawers are all going to be soft close. 2-burner cooktop. The microwave is actually going to be a convection microwave, kind of a 3 or 4 in 1 microwave, right? You can actually broil, you can toast, obviously microwave. You can bake in that as well. If you can put metal in it, so technically you could use it as an air fryer if you'd like to, but a lot of uses for that. The slide is going to feature the 4-person dinette, so really big dinette, especially for a small trailer. And then if you prefer to have a sofa, we can do an optional sofa here as well from Apex Custom Furniture. That's not a problem. The dinette goes down into a bed extremely easily. You just unlock it and push it down. You could then remove the cushions, lay them all the way across, and you have extra sleeping space here as well. It's got a 32-inch TV. Your JBL Bluetooth head unit is right here. So this is what will link up with your JBL speakers on the inside and outside. You do have dual zone, so you can play inside and outside, or just outside or just inside. Really, really good sized bathroom. You got plenty of space on the toilet, a nice sliding or pocket door, so this is not intrusive, especially if somebody's trying to get into the refrigerator. All solid surface countertops, both in the kitchen and here in the bathroom. Even below the TV, we're going to feature solid surface there. So any countertop material here is going to be solid surface. Stainless steel sink in the bathroom too. Don't find that super often. Lots of closed storage here. We're going to have hanging storage up top. So if you need that bonus hanging wardrobe in the 2108 TB, you just have all overheads with no hanging wardrobes. This is a good space. If you need to hang some stuff, you can. Plenty of room for your toiletries as well. The shower is actually a 30 by 36. Probably one of the biggest showers I've ever seen in a micro trailer. And micro minis have a 6'4" interior height. I'm 5'11". We do put a large skylight here, and it's elongated, so if you are taller, I can actually not even have my head in the skylight still at 5'11", but if I was 6'2", I'd need to utilize this space, so we gave you a really big space to be able to still move around in here. Also a little bit nicer shower door. This is a retractable style. It's going to keep the water in the shower and off the floor versus a shower curtain. They just don't do that great of a job keeping water in the shower, so we prefer to have retractable doors. So that is the 2108 TB Micro Mini. If you would like more information or want to see one of these in person, you can go check it out at any local Funtown RV dealership, or you can check it out online at funtownrv.com. Has an integrated fusion light, really clean look to it. Love the pitch adjustment on this. Really easy to have that rain runoff.